Hi, my name is Sterling Alexander. Did you know that over 70% of African Americans do not have a will or any type of estate plan in place? My genius is entrepreneurship. I've owned several companies over the years, and my latest company that I've just recently launched is a company called iPlanned. iPlanned is an online platform for users to be able to create their wills and their trust online, making it simple and affordable for people to be able to have access to their estate plans and be able to transfer generational wealth, pass on assets to family members, to reduce the arguing and fighting within families. So the reason why I created iPlan, it was based upon me and my wife's need, for one, to have a will, and then seeing other family members that have passed away and friends that have passed away that didn't have a will, and seeing some of the results, some of the arguing, some of the fighting, things like that within families. So my goal was to reduce those things, and then start that conversation within our community with estate plans, because it's something that we definitely need to have. And I see it as it was a barrier of entry, not having that knowledge. And as Hosea 6 says, my people perish from the lack of knowledge. So my goal, for one, was to close that gap and see more people within our community be able to have access to affordable estate planning, so therefore they can pass things along to their family. So iPlan, www.iplan.io. Check us out. Genius is common.